Alright. What is this? What's this? Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm opening like 30 things today. So what this is Kimtech's Science brand Kim Wipes. So I've been doing a lot of photography lately, and when I'm out in nature, kind of doing my thing with different lenses, different filters and stuff like that, especially near the ocean recently, I've been noticing that I'll get a lot of water specks and stuff like that on my lenses. What I was reading is really good for that because they're super absorbent and hopefully they don't scratch. Hopefully. So there are 280 of them. In here I'm just going to throw this in with probably my photography stuff. I don't want to carry this big box, so I'll probably break it down into like a Ziploc baggie. And what happened up there? Alright, we're back. So with these guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick them in a bag. Probably pull, I don't know, 20 of them out instead of 280. It's rather light, so I'll just put them in a Ziploc baggie and keep them with me when I go shoot. But it's supposed to be for delicate glass. From what I was reading, these are what a lot of photographers use when doing long exposures or different things like that, especially near the water. Yes, I'm going to put these in my photography bag. But if you guys are looking for these, I did a lot of research and these seem to be the #1 recommended wipes for that. And then obviously you have your dust pen and all those things like that for your camera lens cleaning kit. But this is just like an added thing for primarily water spots, I guess. Check it out. Let me know what you guys use them for.